In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll be confidently switching colors on any shape without second guessing where to click or what you're changing. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app and loading the document you want to work on. It can be an existing project or a quick test file, whatever helps you focus on the color change. Make sure you're in a vector document or an artboard where a shape is available to select. Now click on the shape you want to recolor. The easiest way is with the Move tool so you can clearly see the selection handles appear around the object. If the shape is part of a group, you may need to click again to target the exact layer inside that group. A quick glance at the Layers panel can confirm you've selected the right object. If you see no change when you try coloring later, it usually means the selection didn't register, so double check that the shape is highlighted. Look to the right side of the interface to find the Color panel, sometimes labeled simply as Color. You'll often see it near the Swatches panel. In this area, you'll notice two important indicators, one for fill and one for stroke. The fill controls the interior color of your shape, the stroke controls the outline. Make sure the fill is active if you're changing the inside color, or switch to stroke if that's your goal. If the panel looks minimized or tucked away, expand it so you can see the color wheel or sliders clearly. This is your main color picker for quick adjustments and precise values. Now change the color. You can drag around the color wheel to pick a new hue, adjust saturation and brightness, or use sliders for fine control. If you work with brand colors, type a specific hex or RGB value for an exact match. Keep an eye on which indicator is active, fill or stroke, so you don't accidentally recolor the outline when you meant to change the interior. If your shape doesn't update, it's usually one of three things. The wrong object is selected, the stroke is active instead of fill, or the opacity is low. A quick tweak fixes it. If you want to test a few options, use undo to step back and compare. And when you land on a color you love, consider saving it to swatches for consistent reuse across your design. That's all it takes. Open the app, select your shape, find the color panel on the right, and change the color with confidence. Keep practicing on different shapes and styles, and soon color changes will feel effortless.